Hello everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss the second technique of art therapy. This is pretty simple. All you need is one paper, any size of your choice, and a pen or a pencil, whichever you are comfortable in. So you choose. Once you're ready, you should have your colors also with you. You can color it later, but you need to write down a few things. Okay, so let's just start. First thing what I need you to do is take a paper, any size, take your pen or pencil, okay, and then what you do is think of three animals. Okay, this is an animal visualization, so think of three animals which come to your mind. Thought. Now what I need you to do is draw those three animals. Okay, the first animal, the second and the third, you need to draw them either with a pencil or with a pen, whichever you are comfortable with. You don't need to be an artist. Okay, so let's just start. I'm drawing my own three animals, whichever comes to your mind first. You can start drawing yours. It can be on one page, all three of them, or in different pages. You can use sketch pens for drawing it, and then you can fill it up with colors of your choice. This is a very short activity, it will hardly take time. So this is the first one, second one and the third one. I'm just outlining it. This is a dog which I've drawn, not a very good one though, but this is the first animal which I've drawn. Okay, I'm going to the second animal of my choice. Again, I'm telling you, you don't need to be an artist. You can draw any which way you feel like. Okay, so I'm done with my third one as well. That's the hummingbird. Okay, so I've got a dog, the first one, the second one. Can everyone see? Okay, butterfly, and the third one is the hummingbird. So what we do next, I hope everyone's done with that. I'm just repeating for the ones who have just joined in. First you need to take a paper and a pen or a pencil, and then you need to just draw three animals which comes to your mind first. Okay, it has to be three animals which comes to your mind first. Okay, in the animal kingdom, not specifically any one type. Okay, so for me it's the dog, the first one, the second one is the butterfly, and the third one is the hummingbird. I've drawn it on one page. You can draw on multiple pages, whichever is suitable to you. Okay, once you are done, you can, okay, let's just color it first. You can color it, it's up to you. You may not color it, but I would always ask you to color it, because that, fuses you with the activity. That gives you more space and time to think about the activity. Okay, while you're thinking, what you do is think about the qualities or whatever the characteristics of these particular animals are. Okay, like for me, if it's the dog which came first, I'm trying to color it with a little bit of brown. It can be abstract coloring also, need not be the specific colors. Well, these are not sketch pens, these are actually, you know, it's watercolor sketch pens, so it gives you the same effect. Try not to use sketch pens. A little bit of pink here, my daughter is trying to peep in. Thinking about the characteristics of a dog. Okay, and then I'm going to fill up the butterfly as well, maybe with some blue and orange. You can take all your time and do it. I'm just doing it quickly to show you how it's done. Fine. I'll use a little bit of grey as well. This is my butterfly. Please take your time and do the work. Okay, this is just a demonstration. And the third one, the hummingbird. I don't know why I took out the green for the hummingbird. Maybe I've seen a little bit of green somewhere on it, and then I use the blue. Right, so here you go. I'm all done with my coloring. Here it is. Can you see? Yes. Okay. Fine. So after you are done, what I ask is, write down their characteristics, okay, as per you. What you think about these animals, you write it down. It is absolutely your own judgment, okay? It's how you perceive them to be, or you know them of, okay? So I'm going to write my own comments or my own perception about these animals. You can do it in the meanwhile. I'll just write 2-3 words for each. I'm on the last one. You take your time to write. Okay, I'm done with my thing. You can reflect, okay? You can reflect, and then you can go ahead, you can write a lot of things about it. You can write sentences, you can draw pictures around it. It's up to you. Just for a demonstration, I've written, for me a dog is loyal, the dog is loving and active. Okay, the butterfly according to me is beautiful, active, positive. And the third one here, the hummingbird, it's active, petite, industrious and unique. Okay, so after you are done with these, after you're done with writing and reflecting on each of these animals, I'll give you the analysis part, like what does these mean to you. Okay, so I'll just give you 1 more minute to do it, and then I'll give you the analysis part. Fine. So, going by your first animal, okay, the first animal generally talks about is everyone ready with their animals? Because once you know, it's going to affect your judgment. So once you're done writing or drawing, I would always prefer you to draw. Okay, then I'm going to tell you what is what. Okay, the first animal is generally you feel people see you as. Okay, how other people see you, that's your judgment. Okay, the second one, the second animal represents the way people actually view you. Okay, and the last one is the one who you want to be. That's your desire, you are striving for it. Okay, so these three are the things which is there in your unconscious. I'll give you the explanation for this in a separate video, but this is the technique which you need to do. Okay, so first draw 3 animals which comes to your mind, color them, write down their characteristics, and going by the analysis, the first one is how people view you. This is the second one, the second animal, how you want other people to view you. Okay, and the third one is the person who you actually are. You know, you're striving for that always. You're deep within this person. Okay, Vasudha, it's mine, but you need to do yours. I will be uploading this again, the video, so you can refer to this, the entire process. This was it. This was the technique too. It's a very brisk and quick technique, and I'll give you the reasons behind it, why these things are there. Why do we associate our characteristics or the way we talk or the way we interact or who we actually are with these 3 animals. Okay, there are certain things called totems. I'll be discussing it in a separate technique altogether, but this is basically a manifestation of your unconscious mind. Okay, fine, so I'll be uploading it soon. Thank you for being there. Thank you all of you. So I'm ending it now. Bye bye.